Hello, fellow flat earthers. I wanted to show you a book I picked up at a local secondhand bookstore yesterday. This is a Hammond's Contemporary World Atlas. This is copyright 1971. You flip past the first few pages, which are the table of contents and the area, population, some basic stats. Third page right there. It's pretty much the only alternate map that they have in this, aside from the individual maps of each country and breaking it down by state and all that fun stuff that you'd expect to see. This is your classic flat earth map. They call it a polar projection. This map has been prepared with the North Pole as the mathematical center. From it, distances to any part of the world may be measured. On Mercator's map of the world, the polar regions are so scattered that their relatively small area and availability for flight routes are disregarded. Today, with airplanes following great circle courses, often within the Arctic Circle, polar projection maps are indispensable to the people of this air-minded age. So I found that pretty interesting, the great circle courses. So this is really intended for pilots, right? That's what is implied. I just wanted to show you one more interesting thing here. This kind of took me back to grade school and stuff, because in the back they stuff even more indoctrination in there with a bunch of pages about the biosphere and this and that. This shows the Earth's rotation on its axis and around the sun axis. But down here is what I found interesting: the supposed satellite views of the Earth. From sunrise to sunset, we have 7:30 a.m., 10:30 a.m., noon, 3:30 p.m., and 7:30 p.m. And if you look closely, I'm not even going to bother zooming, but you can see here and here, you can see that the cloud formations between noon and 3:30 are very similar. This is not a few hours of change. This is actually probably a few minutes of change in the cloud formations. And it's fun. Shows the structure of the Earth, as we've all come to know. The inner core is solid, 815 miles to the center. Anyway, this is all sorts of fun. I paged through it and I just remember all the garbage they taught me as a kid, and I don't know what to believe anymore. Was there an Ice Age? Yes, there probably was. I don't. Changing face of the Earth. The geologic record. I mean, I just love the graphics in this thing. This is the best dollar I ever spent. $1 for a walk down memory lane. Anyhow, I guess that's enough of me flipping pages. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, Brian here. I thought I'd give you all a quick update on where I'm at. I haven't made a video in a few weeks, or posted a video in a few weeks, and you notice I've trimmed my beard and my hair, and I said I wouldn't do that in some comments until I found the truth. Well, I found the truth for myself, but I'll get into that in later videos. However, I had to do a little trimming, but also wanted to show up in, getting stuff I need for my new place, or our new place. And I found this gem at Habitat for Humanity. Got this for $6 and had to buy it because I just wanted to show this aerial photograph here on page 65. Kind of interesting photo, isn't it? It says, you see over here, it says taken by a satellite. Look at that photo. Look at North America. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Just thought I'd share it. I'll probably end up doing a whole video on what's in this book because it's really interesting. It was printed in 1989, so it's something I want to go through. And I've been responding to comments. So until then, keep an open mind, and let's keep figuring this place out. Till then, peace.